What's up, everybody? It's my birthday today. We're sweating our butts off out here. It's probably like 105. Got a new hat, official merch for the Diesel Geeks, part of the road service that I own. But we're out here at Copart today. They actually signed us up to be the main mechanic out here, so I'll probably be out here a lot more often. But today we're out here for this 2026 International MV that obviously hit a low bridge with the reefer box. Truck's only got 6,644 miles on it. Pretty decent truck. It was dead, so we jump started it. They said they couldn't get it to run. We got it running. We got it building air. We put that fitting back in, and then I got to find out if they want to put the drive shaft back in this thing and make it run. Or I mean, it runs, but make sure it drives. But I got to go back up to the office and ask that. So this truck would be a steal of a deal for somebody on Copart, because you could literally replace the, you could put just a drive van box on here and go to work and make money with a brand new truck. So, or you could replace this roof on this one and have a good reefer box truck. So options are endless with this one, but like I said, it's a 2026. So I'll probably try to drive around and take some videos of some wrecked Peterbilts and some stuff like that. And I found a dump truck out here that my buddy owned last summer, and the driver actually died in it, so I'll try to get some footage of that truck. I can't believe it's still here. I haven't seen the truck since it happened, but it's out here. So I'm going to pick up the tools and we'll kind of drive toward the office and video on the way up there. Alright guys, we're back in the AC. We got Ambassador Towing with the wrecker out here picking up a trailer. Let's go out here and let's snoop around, see what we can find. I don't know if you're supposed to film out here. I don't know if you're allowed to. I don't know if you're not supposed to. But so we're going to be coming up on the dump truck right now. Right there, upside down. That's 628. That was a Mack quad axle. It was a 2 drive axles and 2 lift axles. It belonged to my buddy. Last year around this time, it had a steer tire blowout, the one that's missing, and the truck hit the center wall with a load of gravel and it flipped. You can still see gravel up there in the bed. But Sean was driving this truck, and Sean died in this truck. He was burned alive. He couldn't get out of the truck once it flipped upside down and burned. It's pretty sad to see this truck still here. It's pretty sad to see the truck, period. I figured that thing would have been gone by now. But let's go drive around, snoop around some more. We got the International still here. I did the starter on the second truck there, the second white one next to the blue one. All these trucks sitting out here. Got the old flat top Pete. And then you got another, we got a 379. Ripped the axles out of it. We got a whole fire truck. Looks like that was a pretty cool one. Took a lick in the front. Another Pete. A lot of stuff out here. I ain't even been through the cars yet. A lot of Freightliners, a lot of Volvos. But we'll go ahead and get on up out of here. There looks like a Coronado crushed. Part of the trailer still stuck to it on the fifth wheel. Yeah, that was a Coronado for sure. So, like I said, we'll go back up to the office and see what they want to do. Our old Kenworth don't look too bad. We got a burned up something. I don't even know what that is, but there ain't much left. Another burned up ProStar. Ugly T2000. Ugh, ugly trucks. There's the International we got running last week. There's Lake Copart. But we'll go ahead and get up out of here, and I'll go talk to the ladies in the office and find out what they want to do with that box truck. So hopefully we'll be filming some more content out here. Let's see, yeah, cars for days, just like a sea of cars. Both ways. But thanks for watching, guys.